VMware Cloud is a comprehensive platform designed to help businesses run, manage, and secure applications consistently across private, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments. At its core, VMware Cloud provides a unified infrastructure that integrates seamlessly with leading cloud providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. This allows businesses to extend their existing on-premises environments to the cloud without the need for complex migrations or re-architecting applications. One of the biggest advantages of VMware Cloud is its ability to deliver workload portability. Organizations can move applications freely between data centers and cloud environments without downtime, ensuring flexibility and business continuity. Automation and operational efficiency are also key benefits. With VMware's built-in tools like vRealize Automation and VMware Tanzu, businesses can streamline cloud management, accelerate application development, and optimize resource allocation. Security remains a top priority in cloud computing, and VMware Cloud integrates robust security features, including zero-trust security models, micro-segmentation, and end-to-end encryption. These ensure compliance and data protection, no matter where your workloads are running. For businesses embracing hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, VMware Cloud provides a consistent operating model, reducing complexity while maximizing performance and cost efficiency. In this course, we'll explore VMware Cloud's architecture, deployment models, and best practices to help you effectively design and manage hybrid and multi-cloud solutions. Let's get started.